Everybody, in this session I'll explain about function, domain, codomain and range of a function and types of functions. Student, function is a special type of relation in which every element of first set has its unique image in the second set. So let's start with a example. If I have a set A and then set B, then if I use diagram, here the elements are A, B, C, here the elements are D, E, F, this is the set A, this is the set B. Now, if I use this diagram in which A is related to D, B is related to E, C is related to F, then this relation is a function. Why? Number one, because here all elements of set A are using. Second, all elements of A are having unique image or related with the unique element of the other set. When these two conditions are completing, then we will say this relation is a function, and it is denoted by, this is F and it is denoted by FA to B. Function is also known as map or mapping or method or correspondence. Now other part, domain of this function, what will be the, all the first elements are known as the domain of the function. So what are the elements here? A, B, C. In case of function, whole first set is known as the domain. Then range of F, it means all the elements are of the second set which are having its pre-image. It means what will be the range? D, E, F. And then codomain, codomain of F means all the elements of the second set. It means whole set BE is known as the codomain of the function. So if I want to write, I can write down like that, DEF. In this example, range and codomains are equal. So very important, again I am telling you, function is a special type of relation in which every element of first set has its unique image in the second set. So let's start with the one more example. We have the two sets A and B. Now in this case I am taking this example. This is A, B, C, this is D, E, F. Now if I take this example, then this is not a function. Reason? We are observing B has its multi images. B की image क्या है? T, and the image of B is F also. So this is not a function. To check a function, first we have to think about this elements, first set elements. Here all the first set elements are using, but the B has the multi images, that's why it is not a function. Now second thing, if in this part again I take, we have elements in A, A, B, C and the elements in B, D, E, F, and we have the function F A to B, then one question is there, write all the total number of functions of from A to B. Then number of elements in A, what are the number of elements in A? 3. To make it clear, I am taking one more element here, G. And then number of elements in B, 4. Now total number of functions is always given by second set elements power raised to first set element. That means 4 raised to power 3. This is the very important rule. Here I had already explained, if number of elements in first set A, P, number of elements in other set Q, then total number of functions from A to B be Q raised to power B. Here same thing I am using. This is function from A to B. In second set elements are 4 and in first set elements are 3. Therefore total number of functions 4 raised to power 3. Now another thing, types of functions. First of all we will think about equal functions. Now look at this thing. From definition, two functions fa to b and ga to b are said to be equal if fx is equals to gx for every x belongs to a. In this case we will say f is equals to g. Let's take with one example. If I have this set A, this set B, and f is a function from A to B, g is a function from A to B, and it is defined by in such a way, then we have to check, is this equal or not? So in this case, first of all, what we are observing, f1 is 5. It means the image of 1 in function f from A to B is 5. Another thing, if we will see from here, G1 is also 5. Now what we are observing, F1 is equals to G1 is equals to 5. Again if we will say F2 and here also G2, then this is also 6. And if you will say F3, G3, in this both part we are observing 7 and F4, G4. This is also, what is this, 8. Because in these two functions these things are equal, that's why we will say fx is equals to gx for all x belongs to a, hence we will say f is equals to g. It means these two functions are equal. Now with examples I'll explain about the other types of functions. Now in each part we have a set A, this is the set B, and this is the function from A to B. Now there are two ways to check the types of function. One on the basis of domain. Now let's start with the example. If this is, and this is the another example. Now look at this thing. What is the basic difference in this two part? Here all the elements of first sets are having its unique image. Whenever these are the unique image, it is also known as 1 1. देखिए ए की इमेज कितनी है डी, बी की इमेज कितनी है ई, सी की इमेज कितनी है एफ. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डोमेन वी कैन से दिस इज द 1 1 function. Now in another example, it is sure this is a function because all elements are using and every element of domain has its unique image. So but here the elements A is having image D, B is having D, C is having image D. So all the elements having image D only. So this function is known as the many one. What is this? Many one. So all the elements are having image only D. That's why it is known as the many function. So here we are calculating all the things on the basis of domain. That's why on the basis of domain, if we will do the calculation, then it is known as the 1 1 function. It is known as the many one function. Now you are observing this and these example is same, but here if you will think about on the basis of codomain, then all the elements of codomain are using. That's why the name of this function is onto. It means if in any function in second set all the elements are using, then it is known as onto function. Here in second set one element is not mapped or not having its pre-image. That's why it is known as the into function. Now students, if we will give the combined name of this function, then we will give 1 1 onto. What is this? 1 1 onto. Now this is 1 1 function. 1 1 function is also known as the injective function. What is this? Injective. And onto, another name for onto is surjective. What is this? Surjective. So a function has both the names. Here we can say this function is 1 1 onto. 1 1 we are calculating on the basis of domain. onto we are calculating on the basis of codomain. It means एक ही फंक्शन के दो नाम हो सकते हैं. फर्स्ट नेम वी आर गिविंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डोमेन एंड सेकेंड नेम वी आर गिविंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ second set. So this function is known as 1 1 onto and this is if we want to give the name. देखिए डोमेन के बेसिस पे तो ये हो गया many one, लेकिन एलिमेंट्स आर ब्लैंक इन सेकेंड सेट. इट मींस को डोमेन के बेसिस पे इसका नेम क्या हुआ? इनटू. दैट मींस द कंबाइंड नेम ऑफ दिस वन इज many one into. Now on the basis of this explanation there is a one question. You have to give the answer of this question in the comment box. Thanks and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel.